Okay, this is John in Los Angeles. It's December 19th, 2022, about 3:30 in the afternoon. Take a look at this big turd. This is great, huh? Just look at this. It's right over Mother's. I'm in Long Beach right now. And they're leaving one hell of a trail, too. It's not one of the little shorties, but even those are bad, too. All the way back in here. And there's the market down below. I just want to see the whole area. And let's watch this guy. I'm just tired of hearing that these are condensation. Guys, we got to start paying attention to what's going on here. I don't know who's flying these things, but they should be on a post office wall, I tell you that. Criminals. Complete criminals. How low he is. I mean, this guy's low. He's going right over the store, getting away with it. Let me reboot this guy. Yeah, look at him. They're getting worse and worse about this, guys. They really are. And they're going to start saying that people are sick from something, they're going to need a job. But they mention nothing about this. You hear climate change. That's the biggest joke of all. I think that's the next thing they're going to blame sickness on is the climate change. I heard something on Peggy Hall's website, and you got to go listen to her too, by the way. Her website is thehealthyamerican.org. Thehealthyamerican.org. Peggy Hall is amazing. She's trying so hard. And she's getting some stuff done too, so I'm proud of her. I have all the respect in the world for her. So take a look at this, guys. Look at this clown. Condensation goes away really fast. This is not. Okay? It just goes on and on, spreads in the air. Let me reboot him again. Any airplane experts, maybe you could tell me what this is, who it is. Oops. I don't know. All I know is I do not like aircraft at all. I've lost all respect for it. As soon as man found out we could fly, right after the Wright brothers, they tell us. But as soon as they find out, that we can fly, we can drop poison on people. Great, yeah, let's do that. That's how man's mind thinks. Sick, twisted freaks. Can't trust anybody, but especially the air people today. I mean, my God, look at these people in the sky. Why? I got to know why the air traffic controllers are not reporting this. I would love to speak to them. I don't think they would talk about it because you can't tell me they don't see this. This is their job, is to watch the sky. These guys go anywhere they want to. It doesn't matter which direction, if it's a flight pattern or not. So, anyway, oh my God, there's two more of them. That's just wonderful. Hang on a second here. Let me see if I can get to them without screwing this up. Hold on. There we go. Look at this. Just keep getting away with it. Hold on. I'm getting shaky here. Yeah, the sky's been really horrible today. Really bad. Okay, there's actually another one out there too. Let me see where it went. Where'd it go? There's actually three right now. There's one on the right. It's over here. And where the heck did the other one go? There's one in the middle here somewhere. Oh, it's out here. Look at this. Not a soul that I see is even noticing any of this. So, anyway. Okay, I don't want to bore you to death. I got some stuff to do. I gotta go, shoot some heroin and stuff like that. So, take care, guys. Thanks to you who are awake. I really appreciate you.